Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Ito po ang next example ng word problem. The length of a rectangle is 2 centimeters less than twice its width. What is its width in centimeters if its perimeter is 50 centimeters? A. 8, B. 9, C. 12, D. 16, or E. 25. So this type of word problem po ay tinatawag nating geometry problem. Okay? Kasi nga po, it involves a figure which is a rectangle and yung geometric parameter which is the perimeter of the said rectangle. Pero dito, i-attack po natin siya, kagaya po ng mga previous videos, using algebraic processes. So, you can attack this one by, of course, coming up with your own figure muna. Okay? Bago nyo po i-start yung computation, kasi nga if we are on discussion, ginagawa natin to. This is our length, it's longer than our width. That's very obvious for a rectangle po. The perimeter, ibig sabihin ng perimeter po is yung total ng lahat ng lengths. Yung length dito, width, another length, and another width po dito. And it's given to us as 50 centimeters. Another situation that is given to us is that the length is 2 centimeters less than twice its width. So to answer this, we are going to let x be our width. Okay? Para po magkaroon tayo ng representation sa ating length. Kasi yung length natin is twice. Ito po yung translation niya. The length here is, or probably pwede nyo isulat yung width mauna dito, but I'm going to write it this manner kasi nasulat ko na po yung length. Width rather. Okay? Yung length natin is ito. Okay? Your length is 2 centimeters less than. Take note po sa previous video natin, sinabi po natin, yung term na less than, okay? Okay? Kasi may is dito, okay? Take note of that. I mean, walang is. Okay? Yung term na less than po, hindi po ito katulad ng inequality natin na ganyan. We discussed this in the previous video. You might want to review that as well. Okay? This is actually is less than. Yan. Like 4 is less than 7. Parang ganun po. Pag less than lang po yung ginamit dito sa ating problem, that is actually the sign for the operation subtraction. So yun yung pong magkaiba dito. This is one of the most common misconception po. Pag less than lang po, walang is before the term less than, subtraction po yan. Pag is less than, ito po yung symbol natin. Pero before I proceed again to our translation, may ibang ibig sabihin din ng term na less at saka less than. Both of them are on the same perspective subtraction po. It's lang dalawa subtraction kapag walang is po. Pero yung use niya magkaiba. Pag sinabi po nating x less y and x less than y, okay, magkaiba po yung ibig sabihin when we translate them. Kapag x less y, direct po na subtraction. This is x less y. Pag x less than y, still subtraction, but you are interchanging po yung ating mga variables. Okay? Kapag x less than is less than y naman, so iba naman yung symbol niya. So take note of this. This is a very common misconception. Kasi nga po, magkaiba po sila ng ibig sabihin. Pag sinabi po natin 5 less 2, so that's 3 kasi 5 minus 2 yan. Pero pag sinabi ito yung 3 less than 5, it's the other way around po. I mean, 5 less than 3 is the other way around po. So dito, the translation would be this. 2 centimeters less than. It's width, twice its width. So twice the width, which is x. And since less than po siya, yung 2 centimeters will be written as our second variable po. So ito po yung translation niya. 2 centimeters. You can drop muna the term centimeters so that you will not be confused po yung letters that C at M. So 2 less than twice its width. And since our width is x earlier, so twice, ibig sabihin 2 times. So 2 times x or 2x minus 2. Okay. So we are also learning here po the concept of translation. Now, we know here that the perimeter of a rectangle given is 50 centimeters po. Okay, that's the perimeter. So, what do you think is the measurement of the width? Width yung natin. So, we are looking for the value of x. So we are going to construct here an equation following the concept of perimeter. Ano po ba yung perimeter ng rectangle? Can you still remember that? That's the question. The perimeter of a rectangle has this formula, 2L plus 2W. Meaning, you add the two lengths, kasi sabi ko na natin kanina, na yung perimeter natin is the total measurement of all this. This is length, this is length, this is width, this is width. So the perimeter is 2L, twice the length, plus twice the width. So, we are going to structure our equation like this, kasi 50 centimeters naman siya, at saka ito. So that would mean 2L plus 2W is your perimeter equal to the given 50 centimeters. We are dropping the centimeters muna. We'll be using 50 itself. Yan. That's how we translate it. So, we are going to plug in the value for the length. This is our L. And this is our width here, X. So, with that, of course, you have twice the length. So, take note, 2X minus 2. Because this is our entire length. Plus, twice the width, which is X. Our width is just X, equal to 50. So converting that, or simplifying that, using distributive property, you will have 4x minus 4 plus 2x is equal to 50. So the problem is geometry. Now we are using algebra to finish it. Take note that we can only combine these two as they are similar terms. So that 6x minus 4 is equal to 50. Let me move that here. So 6x minus 4 is equal to 50. It's a simple linear equation. Plus 4 plus 4. So you will have here 6x, that's 0, is equal to 54. Then you divide both sides by x. Not x, sorry. Divide both sides by 6. That's 6, sorry. Because you would like x to be retained. Yung tamang sagot po is yung ratio ng 54 at 6, which is 9. So in our option, we only have one of which, that's letter B. This is our answer to this item. So with all of this translation concerns, geometry concerns, and algebraic concerns, we're able to answer this problem as X. Before I move away, take note ha, yung tanong natin is width. So tama ito. We end here. But what if the question is what is the length? Diba? What if it's changed? So, it doesn't mean that whatever your X here po, yun yung tamang sagot already. We are actually lucky here that the question is width. But what if yung item na makikita nyo sa exam later is what is the length? It's not the width. So, you're still going to apply this here. So, 2 times 9 is 18 minus 2, 16 yung tamang sagot. If the question is length. Okay? Another thing, let's do the checking if it's 50 talaga. So 9 yung so 16 yung length, 'di ba? Sabi natin kasi nga 9 times 2 is 18, minus 2 you have 16 centimeters. So 16 dito, 16 din ito. This is already given as 9. This is already given as 9. Let's see if the sum is 50. 16 plus 9 is 25, plus this one here is 41, plus 9, 50 nga. In terms of centimeters. This centimeters. But since the question is in terms of centimeters, that's our answer. So this is now how we solve this geometry problem using the concept of algebra and of course the important concepts of geometry. So once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, paki-share na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!